AJ. Today is Thursday, March 2nd, and welcome to your Lightning News.
Hey Titans, be sure to purchase your yearbook as soon as possible for $100 because when we come back from spring break, prices will go up to $110. So be sure to get your yearbook while supplies last because they're also expected to be arriving during the last week of May.
Hi there, seniors. One more announcement for you. So if you're interested in going to Senior Inspiration Night, your deadline to pay for Senior Inspiration Night is March 9th. That's next week. The day of actual Senior Inspiration is the 11th. Now, your tickets are totally free, but you have to be accompanied with at least one parent or guardian, and parent or guardian tickets are $20. So, we look forward to seeing you.
Attention seniors, today is the deadline for FAFSA.
So if you haven't already submitted your FAFSA application, be sure to get it done as soon as possible because it is a lengthy process. Don't miss out on your chance to receive free money for your future.
Hi seniors, if you're looking forward to grad night, I've got some information for you. So if you haven't already bought your tickets are $125 and you need to pay that by April 12th. Now, that $125 covers a ticket pass for Disneyland, California Adventure, an exclusive Grad Night 2017 party from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m., and a really cute t-shirt for all 2017 graduates. So be ready to pay that ticket. Remember, April 12th is your date.